Learn French Lesson 3 Numbers and Days of the Week A0 to A1.
Wow!
Bonjour! Welcome back to Lesson 3 of the A0 to A1 French course. Today you will learn the numbers from 1 to 20, a few big numbers, and the days of the week. Let's begin. Numbers from 1 to 20. Repeat after me. 1. 1. 2. 2. 3. 3. 4. 4. 5. 5. 6. 6. 7. 7. 8. 8. 9. 9. Et enfin 10. 10. Let's continue. 11. 11. 12. 12. 13. 13. 14. 14. 15. 15. 16. 16. 17. 17. 18. 18. 19. 19. Et enfin le dernier, 20, c'est 20. In French, the final letters are often silent, but not always. For example, in 6, 8 et 10, the final sound is pronounced. Big numbers. Here are a few useful round numbers. 20, donc on l'a déjà vu, 20, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50. Repeat after me. 20, 30, 40, 50. Now, two very common ones. 100, 100, et 1000, 1000.
Wow!
Days of the week. In French, the week starts on Monday. Repeat after me. Monday, lundi. Tuesday, mardi. Wednesday, mercredi. Thursday, jeudi. Friday, vendredi. Saturday, samedi. Et Sunday, dimanche. Tip. In French, we don't use capital letters for days. For example, we write lundi, not lundi, avec une majuscule. Little quick quiz. Let's try a quick quiz. Say the answer out loud. Number 1. What is 7 in French? The correct answer is 7. Number 2. What comes after 14? The correct answer is 15. Après 14 vient le 15. Number 3. How do you say Wednesday in French? Wednesday is mercredi. Question 4. What's 100 in French? 100 in French, c'est 100. Number 5. What's the last day of the week? The correct answer is dimanche, c'est le dernier jour de la semaine. Bravo! Well done! Now you know the basic numbers and the days of the week in French. In the next lesson, we will talk about telling the time and asking for the dates. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and try the quiz in the video description. À bientôt!